Compatibility definitely helps us to get attracted to a partner in the first place, but that doesn't make sure that the spark remains forever. Because no matter how compatible you are, there would always be differences. There's a lot of relationship advice out there that says that compatibility is the most important part and in fact the foundation of all romantic relationships. And it definitely feels right. Because when you're compatible, you tend to understand each other better. You tend to understand your likes and dislikes, and it becomes very easy to navigate through the relationships. But what if I tell you that compatibility doesn't always drive a relationship? In fact, it is not a very important part either. And before I tell you why compatibility is not so much important, let me just define it for you. Compatibility is a state in which two people are able to exist together without any problems or conflict. So this is what compatibility is, and in this video I am going to tell you why compatibility is not so much important. In fact, for me it is the most overrated thing ever. And at this point I am sure you might be thinking that what the hell is Shivam saying? Because you might have always heard that compatibility is the most important part of a relationship. How can it be not so important? So keep watching this video till the end, because I am going to tell you why compatibility is not so important and what really is. When we talk about compatibility, of course we want someone to share our laughter, be our best friend as well as a lover, someone who will not only listen to our doubts and celebrate our triumphs, but also jump in the car for impromptu getaways. And it does sound all romantic and beautiful. But there's a problem here. Compatibility definitely helps us to get attracted to a partner in the first place, but that doesn't make sure that the spark remains forever. Because no matter how compatible you are, there would always be differences. And it's because everyone comes from their own traumas, everyone comes from their own life story, and everyone has their own conditioning and their way of seeing reality. When we believe that compatibility is needed to run a relationship, we automatically start hating the differences. And the minute we start hating the differences, we start hating the person as well. And this is how the idea of compatibility often makes us believe that only likes and similarities can make sure that a relationship moves forward. But in real sense, when two people of different ideologies and different interests come together, there is bound to be conflict, and there is bound to be a lot of differences as well. And I feel there is nothing wrong with it. There is nothing wrong with conflict, and there is nothing wrong with misunderstandings. And this is why I always believe that compatibility is not so much important in a relationship. What is really much important in a relationship is the ability to make efforts, the ability to understand your partner, the ability to understand and to be able to make efforts in that direction, to be able to live in harmony, to be able to live in peace. Because no matter who you really are, no matter where you come from, your partner wouldn't always be the same as you. Your partner wouldn't be of the same ideology as you. And there is always bound to be differences, there is always bound to be things you cannot agree with. And this is the true test of a relationship. You are able to understand and accept their own ideologies and able to accept your own ideologies as well. And then you come to a middle ground to be able to accept that okay, I am right and you are right as well. No one is wrong in a relationship, no one is wrong in any particular area. Everyone has their own perception, everyone has their own way of thinking, and that's what they believe to be right. And hence, it's very much important for both of the partners to be able to understand in a relationship that there is no right, there is no wrong, it's just different perception coming together, and hence there is bound to be some clashes, there is bound to be some misunderstanding. But when you are able to understand each other, when you are able to make efforts for each other, and when you are able to communicate about your needs and about your wants and about bridging the gaps between the ideologies, that's when a relationship actually works. And this is why I always say that communication, efforts and understanding is what makes a relationship work, not compatibility. And I hope you like this video, and if you do like, comment and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much.